type 2, we can see same denominators, but we cannot find integers between numerators. First question, 1 by 10, 2 by 10. We have to find rational numbers between 1 by 10 and 2 by 10. First question, 1 by 10, 2 by 10. Here we can see equal denominators. Next we have to find integers between numerators 1 and 2. Can you find integers between numerators 1 and 2? We cannot find integers between 1 and 2. Therefore, here multiply the numerator and the denominator with a preferred number. Preferred number means any number you can have here. I prefer here 100. So, next step, 1 into 100 divided by 10 into 100. Here 2 into 100 divided by 10 into 100. 1 into 100, 100 divided by 10 into 100, 1000. Here 200 divided by 1000. Listen carefully children. Here 100 by 100 is equals to 1. Right? 1 is a multiplicative identity. So here there is no change in value of 1 by 10. Here also there is no change in value of 2 by 10. Now we have 100 by 1000, 200 by 1000. Now can you give me integers between 100 and 200? Yes, you can find many integers between 100 and 200. So 100, the next one 101, 102, etc. 199. Listen carefully children. Here 1 by 10 also equals to 100 by 1000. 1 by 10 is the simplest form or reduced form of 100 by 1000. Here also 2 by 10 is the reduced form or simplest form of 200 by 1000. So rational numbers between 1 by 10 and 2 by 10 are 101 divided by 1000, 102 divided by 1000, etc. 199 divided by 1000. First question clear now? Children clear? Okay. Second question. Negative 4 by 10 and negative 5 by 10. Negative 4 by 10, negative 5 by 10. Here also we can see equal denominators. Then we have to check numerators, negative 4, negative 5. What about negative 4, negative 5? Is there any integer between negative 4 and negative 5? Answer is no, there is no integers. So listen children, here also we have to multiply numerator and denominator with a preferred number. Here I prefer 50. So next step, negative 4 into 50 divided by 10 into 50. Here negative 5 into 50 divided by 10 into 50. Negative into positive, negative 4 50s are 200 divided by 500. Okay. Then here negative into positive, negative 5 50s are 250 all divided by 500. Here negative 4 by 10 is also equals to negative 200 by 500. These two are equivalent rational numbers. Then here also negative 5 by 10 also equals to negative 250 divided by 500. Equivalent rational numbers we have learned before. Now children, can you give me integers between negative 200 and negative 250? Can you? Yes. Next one, negative 201, negative 202, etc. Negative 249. 249. Listen children. Rational numbers between negative 4 by 10 and negative 5 by 10 are negative 201 by 500. Then negative 202 divided by 500, etc. Negative 249 upon 500. What about second question? Clear now? Then third one, 0 and 1. 0 and 1. What about 0 and 1? Rational number or not? As it can be written as 0 by 1. Here also 1 by 1. Now we can see P by Q form, P by Q form. P and Q are integers, Q not equals to 0. So here also we can see equal denominators 1, 1. But we cannot find integers among 0 and 1. So what we should do here children? Yes, here also multiply the numerator and the denominator with a preferred number. Preferred number means as you like, you can choose. Now I prefer here into 40. 1 into 40. 1 into 40 divided by 1 into 40. 0 into 40, 0. 1 into 40, 40. Here 40 ones are 40. Divided by 40 ones are also 40. Now we have equal denominator 40 40s. Listen carefully children. 0 by 1 also equals to 0 by 40. 1 by 1 also equals to 40 by 40. Here we can tell 0 by 1 is the reduced form or simplest form of this one. Here 1 by 1 is the reduced form or simplest form of 40 by 40. Now let's find rational numbers between 0 by 40, 40 by 40. To find that, you have to find integers between 0 and 40. 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 39 without any confusion we can write there. Okay. Then rational numbers between 0 by 1 and 1 by 1 are 1 by 40, 2 by 40, 3 by 40, etc. 39 divided by 40. What about third question? Clear now? Then question number 4, negative 1 and 0. Negative 1 and 0. Which can be written as, yes, negative 1 by 1, 0 by 1. Common or equal denominators. But we cannot find integers between negative 1 and 0. So we have to prefer a number here. I prefer here. How much you want children? I prefer here 90. Yes. 1 into 90. 0 into 90. Here also 1 into 90. Negative 90 by 90. Here 0 divided by 90. Negative 1 by 1 is a reduced form of, yes, negative 90 by 90. Here 0 by 1 is the reduced form or simplest form of 0 by 90. Then can you find integers between negative 90 and 0? Yes, many are there. Negative 89, negative 88, etc. up to -1. Then rational numbers between -1/1 and 0/1 are -89/90, -88/90, etc. -1/90. What about fourth question? Is it clear? Last question. -5 and 4. Rational number or not? Yes, it can be written as -5/1. Here 4/1. Equal denominators can see here. Can you find integers between -5 and 4? Yes, we can find some integers. After -5, -4, -3, etc. 0, etc. 3. Okay. Then rational numbers between -5/1 and 4/1 are -4/1, -3/1, 0/1, etc. 3/1. What about last question? Easy question, no? Clear, right? In type 3, before looking whether there are integers among the numerators, we should make equal denominators there. Question number 1, 1/2, 10/7. We have to find rational numbers between 1/2 and 10/7. 1/2, 10/7. See children, here we can see different denominators or different cube. Before finding rational numbers between these two, first we should convert it into equal denominators. We have two methods to convert it into equal denominators. Method number 1, cross multiplication. Second method, LCM. So I am going to have here cross multiplication. See children, 1 into 7. 1 into 7 divided by 2 into 7. Then here 10 into 2 divided by 7 into 2. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 10 twos are 20, 7 twos are 40. Now we get here equal denominators. Now can you give me integers between 7 and 20? Can you give me integers among 7 and 20? Yes, many are there. After 7, 8, 9, etc. 19. Here we can see denominator 14. So rational numbers between 7/14 and 20/14 are 8/14, 9/14, etc. 19 upon 14. Clear, no? Here 7/14 also equals to 1/2. 1/2 is the reduced form or simplest form of 7/14. Here 10/7 is the simplest form or reduced form of 20/14. Therefore, rational numbers between 1/2 and 10/7 are 8/14, 9/14, etc. 19/14. First question clear now? Second question, -1/2, 10/7. -1/2, 10/7. Here also we can see different denominators. First we should convert, we should keep here equal denominators. To keep here equal denominators, I am going to have here cross multiplication. -1 into 7 divided by 2 into 7. Here 10 into 2 divided by 7 into 2. Negative into positive, yes, negative 1, 7. 1 into 7, 7. 7 twos are 40. Here 20 divided by 40. We get here equal denominators. Now can you give me integers between -7 and 20? Yes, many are there. After -7, -6, comma, etc., comma, 0, etc., positive 19. Listen children, -1/2 is the reduced or simplest form of -7/40. -1/2 also equals to -7/40. Here 10/7 is the reduced form or simplest form of 20/40. Therefore, this is also equals to 20/40. So, rational numbers between -1/2 and 10/7 are -6/14, etc., 0/14, etc., 19/40. Clear now? Thank you.